Alright, this is plan C and the last of our conditioning exercises. You're going to start with flutter kicks. So you're going to lay down in your hollow position, arms by your side, and you're just going to kick up and down with pointed toes. Next one is your lunge kick forward, or your grand battements that we talk about in practice. You're going to start feet turned out in your lunge, nice arms, and then you're going to kick forward with a pointed toe, trying to turn out and trying not to close when you kick forward, so keep your chest up. Alright, next one is the crocodile push-ups. So there's two different ways you can do this if it's too difficult. So the first one is you touch your knee or touch your knee to your elbow, and then you do your push-up, and then do the other side, do your push-up. Or you can do knee up, push-up, back up. Same thing on the other side. Like that. Alright, next one is butt ups. So I recommend using a chair with a weight on it or something else that's stable you can hold on to. You're going to lay down, feet up to the ceiling, and then you're going to lift your butt up and back down, trying to use your abs. Alright, next one is our grand battements sideways. So you're going to start in your lunge. You can kind of stagger a little bit. You should be facing forward, dancer arms, and you're going to kick up to the side. Trying to keep your chest up and legs straight, toe pointed. Alright, next one is dips. So same thing with a chair. You can put a weight on it if you need to stabilize more. Move your feet away. Make sure your fingers are pointing forwards, and you're just going to bend your elbows, push up. Like that. Alright. Next one is side crunches. So you're going to lay down on your side. You can bend your knees a little bit, hands on head, and you're just going to sit up sideways. You're not going to be able to sit up far, but just go as high as you can. And then you're going to switch sides and do the other way, up this way. Like that. Alright, now we have our backward lunge kicks, or our backwards grand battements. So one foot in front, use a chair or a railing to stabilize. Hands down and kick your foot as high as you can. And with all of these grand battements, to make it a little bit more difficult, you can go up on releve. So you start flat foot. When you kick, you go up to a high toe. And that's the same for the forward and the sideways kicks. Next one is the overhead tricep extension. So you can use a weight if you have them, or you can use something like a jar of peanut butter or a jug of water, which is approximately about 5 pounds, a gallon filled up with some kind of liquid. So you're going to start, make sure you're stable, hold the top of it, you're going to bend down your back, I'll go sideways, and then you're going to push all the way up to straight arms. Trying to keep your elbows tucked forward in this exercise. Alright, and that's plan C.